You can now get the 2016 Release 1 of Tecplot RS. Links to the download page will be given at the end of this video. We've included some useful functionalities in Tecplot RS. The GRDECL format is now a supported file type. In the Periodic Production Rate tool, you now have the option of calculating and exporting rates for multiple files. And in the Property modifier, you can now output your data in the intersect file format. In our grid loader, you'll notice that we've added GRDECL to the list of supported file types. There are two ways you can load in your GRDECL files into RS. You could either key off of a .data file or a .grdecl file. Let me demonstrate both methods for you. First, I'm going to use a .data file to load in my GRDECL file. Let's take a look at a sample .data file. In the .data file, you simply need a reference to the list of GRDECL files you would like to load. RS will search for any include keywords within the .data file. Let's go ahead and bring in this file. When you key off the .data file, you'll notice that the list of GRDECL files has been populated in the dialog. Once you press OK, RS will now display your static properties. The other method is to key off the GRDECL file itself. Here I could choose any GRDECL file in the folder. You'll see that RS again populates the list of all other GRDECL files in the same folder. You could remove files from this list or even add files from other folders. The Periodic Production Rate tool was introduced in a previous release of RS. We've enhanced the functionalities in this tool, so I'll summarize the description of this feature from scratch. In the demonstration I'm about to show, I have multiple XY files loaded. You don't have to have multiple files loaded to take advantage of this tool. So to get into the tool, I'm going to go to Analyze, Periodic Production Rates. You will be presented with a list of all of your cumulative variables, such as oil and water production totals. You could then use the tool to calculate your periodic production rates. In this example, I'm going to first specify to output the results in quarterly periods. I just want the calculation done on the well entities. I'm going to choose a few specific entities to calculate and choose water production total as a calculated variable. In RS, you'll now notice options to perform the calculation on either the active file, which is the file that's loaded, or to all files that are loaded in the project. If you press Compute, you will see the calculated display. You will also see now that you have the option of outputting in either a single aggregate file or in multiple files. Our Property modifier tool is another functionality that was introduced in a previous release of RS. Here you can modify grid properties and create an ASCII file that could be used as an input into your simulator. Intersect has now been added to the list of output formats. The new output formats write selection families and cell property edits. To download a free evaluation copy of Tecplot RS, please visit our trial download page. For current customers, please go to the update page. If you have any questions about Tecplot RS, email us at marketing@tecplot.com. We're happy to set up a more in-depth demo of the new functionalities.